Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. April 27, 2024. Boracay peak season. Daming tao. Sunset view. Sunset view ng Boracay. Ito tayo.
Hold 1 and 2. Hold 1 and 2. Hold 4. Move forward. Hold 2. Move back. 1 forward. Everybody come back. Are you ready? Attention. Go.
There you go, our second to the last race of the day. This is race number 67. Mixed Southern Boat quarterfinals 8. Lane 1 is to group Southern. Lane 2 RSA. Lane 3 Mahar.
Contest po ito.
You are lane 4 is winning the pack. That is Latin Dragons. And feet of lane number 3 is catching up as well as lane number 2. They are now entering the 50 minutes mark. Then, lane 2 is catching up. Now on the 125 meters mark. It is lane number 2, which is RSA. There you go.
Thank you so much, Jan. So we are down to our last race today, and it's race number 68. It's going to be continued tomorrow. Race is 69 to 74. But before we say goodbye, and we have our last race for the day, we'd like